want to know what you can do to prepare to buy a house in a very competitive market. Well, that's what I'm going to talk about today, so hang in there. I'll be right back. You are shopping and you're noticing all the places you like. People are putting in 2, 3, 4 offers on the same house, which means there's going to be some unhappy people because only one can get that house. What do? Number one, you research and find out how much are people offering over asking. You will have a budget. And are people offering 5% over, 2%, 8%? Case in point, there's a neighborhood and most of the homes were listed at $485, $495, $500. That's what they were selling for. There were multiple offers. All of a sudden, a home came on the market at $450. I'm like, whoa, and it had everything my client wanted. I called the agent 48 hours after it listed and 10 minutes after she called me, and the agent said, offers due in 24 hours, and we showed it to 39 people, so we're not showing it anymore. Be prepared. They put the price low because they're letting all the buyers set the price. If they have 5 people making offers, maybe it'll go for $485, maybe it'll go for $500. And that's generally how a lot of places do it, but not necessarily. So you really need to know the market. A little research goes a long way. You want to work with your agent. Your agent will have all the data that she or he can access it right away. If you wanted to go into public records, the ship will have sailed by the time you get all that information. And agents pay money to be an agent to have access to this data. It's a membership. This is another added value. That's why using a realtor is going to help you in the long run, because they can compile data and give you information. Okay, this neighborhood, everything sells for $2,000 or $3,000 over what the asking price is. Really good information. Number 2, be prepared to go under your budget. Your budget's $500,000. You know you can get a loan for $400,000. You have 20% down. You want to look at houses that are $450 or condos or whatever you're looking at. Because if you get in this situation, you know you have the flexibility. If you find something you love and you're willing to go a little over, great. But what if you find something you absolutely love and you really, really want it? You now have flexibility to go even higher. But work with your agent. They're the ones that can help you. And you have to decide how high you're willing to go. And what else can you do to be competitive in the market? That's another video. Number 3, have a final figure. Have an absolute top of the market line where you will not go over. I post every Wednesday. I will see you next Wednesday. Yay! Goofball. I'm a goofball. I'll see you next Wednesday. I'll see you next Wednesday.